ready to supercharge your apps with the power of SMS. Let's unlock seamless third-party messaging using Twilio in just 90 seconds. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to twilio.com and sign up for a free trial. You'll get a phone number and account credentials. Save your account SID and auth token. You will need this later. Next, choose your programming language. Twilio supports multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, PHP, and more for this tutorial. Let's assume you're using Python. Now, install the Twilio Python library using pip in your code. Import the Twilio client and initialize it with your account SID and auth token. Time to craft your SMS. Use the Twilio client to create a message. Specify your Twilio phone number as the from number and the recipient's phone number as the to number. Set the body parameter to your desired message. Execute your code. Twilio will handle the delivery, and your message will be sent through your third-party application. That's it. You've successfully integrated Twilio SMS into your third-party application. Experiment with different features and explore Twilio's extensive documentation for more advanced options.